The Xmaster formula indicator for Mt4 has a complex mechanism that combines moving averages, RSI and MACD behind the scenes. But the result is a clear trade signal with bullish and bearish trend signals. The indicator is best suited for both new and advanced technical Forex traders using any trend-following trading strategy. The indicator works well on all time frames of intraday charts, as well as on daily, weekly and monthly charts. In addition, the indicator is free to download and easy to install. Xmaster formula indicator for Mt4 trading signals. The above used H1 chart shows the Xmaster formula indicator for Mt4 in action. The indicator is placed in a separate window under the price chart. It displays bullish signals as a green dotted line and bearish signals as a red dotted line. For best results, open a long trade when a green dotted line appears going up. This will indicate a strong up move. The best stop loss for this position is the previous swing low, and you should place your take profit when the line changes its direction or when the red dotted line appears. For a sell trade, you can open a short position when a red dotted line appears going down. The best stop loss for this position is the previous swing high. Close this position when the line changes its direction or when the green dotted line appears. The Xmaster formula indicator is a trend-following indicator, so it provides the best results if Forex traders can trade using multi-time frames. It is in the trader's interest to follow the trend direction of the higher time frame and determine the best entry point on the lower time frame chart. If you are looking for a great Forex indicator, then the Xmaster formula could be just what you need. This powerful tool has been designed to help Forex traders make better decisions and improve their trading results. The Xmaster formula is based on a unique algorithm that analyzes market conditions and provides accurate signals. The Xmaster formula Forex indicator is a revolutionary way to trade the foreign exchange market. The system was developed by two professional traders, and it has been used by them to consistently generate profits. The Xmaster formula indicator is based on a unique formula that includes an advanced price action indicator, which gives you an edge over other traders in the market. What is Xmaster formula Forex indicator? The Xmaster formula Forex indicator is a trading tool that was designed to help traders identify and trade potential reversals in the market. The indicator consists of two parts: the main signal line and the histogram. The main signal line is used to generate buy and sell signals, while the histogram is used to confirm these signals. The indicator is based on the premise that price action tends to repeat itself. Therefore, by analyzing past price movements, it is possible to identify patterns that may occur again in the future. The Xmaster formula Forex indicator uses these patterns to generate trading signals. The indicator can be used on any time frame, but it is most commonly used on the 1-hour chart or higher. It can be applied to any currency pair, although it works best on pairs with low spreads and high liquidity. To use the Xmaster formula Forex indicator, first identify an uptrend or downtrend on the chart. Then look for instances where price has made a sharp move in one direction followed by a period of consolidation. These are potential reversal points and should be monitored closely for a possible entry signal from the Xmaster formula Forex indicator. How does Xmaster formula Forex indicator work? The Xmaster formula Forex indicator is a technical analysis tool that is used to predict future price movements of currency pairs. The indicator is based on the Fibonacci sequence, which is a series of numbers that are believed to have predictive powers when it comes to financial markets. The Xmaster formula Forex indicator applies the Fibonacci sequence to past price data in order to identify potential support and resistance levels for future prices. These levels can then be used by traders to place their trades accordingly. The Xmaster formula Forex indicator can be applied to any time frame, but it is most commonly used on the hourly chart. To apply the indicator, simply choose a currency pair and then select the hourly time frame from your charting software. Once you have done this, you will need to find the most recent swing high and swing low on your chart. Once you have found these 2 points, you will then draw a horizontal line through each point. The next step is to apply the Fibonacci ratios of 23.6%, 38.2%, and 61.8% to each line in order to find potential support and resistance levels for future prices. These levels can then be used as targets for placing trades or setting stop-loss orders. For example, if you see that prices are approaching a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level after a sharp decline, this could be an indication that prices may bounce higher from this level, thus providing an opportunity to go long. While the Xmaster formula Forex indicator can be a useful tool for predicting future price movements, it should not be relied upon exclusively when